1913. Maximum product difference between two pairs. This Java code defines a class named solution with a single public method, maxProductDifference, which takes an array of integers, nums, as an argument. Here's what the method does, step by step. 1. It sorts the array nums in ascending order using the Arrays.sort method. After sorting, the smallest elements will be at the beginning of the array, and the largest elements will be at the end. 2. It calculates the product of the two largest elements in the array. Since the array is sorted, these are the last two elements, accessed by nums.length1, the last element, and nums.length2, the second to last element. 3. It calculates the product of the two smallest elements in the array, which are now the first two elements, accessed by nums0 and nums1. 4. It returns the difference between the product of the two largest elements and the product of the two smallest elements. This difference is the maximum product difference that the method is designed to compute. In summary, the maxProductDifference method sorts an array of integers, finds the products of the two largest and two smallest numbers, and returns the difference between these two products.